The internet has become an indispensable part of our lives. It connects us with information, entertainment, and each other. But have you ever stopped to wonder who actually owns this vast digital landscape? The answer, as we'll discover, is not as simple as pointing to a single company or individual. The internet, in its essence, is a network of networks. It's a complex web of interconnected computers and servers that span the globe. No single entity can claim ownership of this entire intricate system. Instead, its ownership is distributed and shared. To understand the internet's ownership structure, we need to journey back to its humble beginnings. The seeds of the internet were sown in the 1960s with the creation of ARPANET. This pioneering network, funded by the U.S. Department of Defense, aimed to connect researchers and share information more effectively. ARPANET's success paved the way for the development of TCP/IP, a communication protocol that allowed different computer networks to communicate with each other. This breakthrough marked a pivotal moment in the internet's evolution. On January 1, 1983, TCP/IP was officially adopted, marking the internet's official birthday. The internet we know and use today truly blossomed in the 1990s with the invention of the World Wide Web. Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist, developed the World Wide Web as a way to share information using hyperlinks. This innovation made the internet more accessible and user-friendly, opening it up to the world. The World Wide Web revolutionized how we access and share information. It led to the rise of search engines, e-commerce, and social media platforms, transforming the internet into an integral part of modern life. One of the internet's defining features is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional media like television or radio, which are often controlled by a few large corporations, the internet has no central authority. This decentralized structure makes the internet incredibly resilient. If one part of the network goes down, data can be rerouted through other pathways, ensuring that information continues to flow. This distributed design also makes it difficult for any single entity to control or censor the internet. Section 5. The physical backbone, cables, routers, and data centers. While the internet itself is decentralized, the physical infrastructure that supports it is very real and tangible. This infrastructure is the backbone that allows us to send emails, stream videos, and browse websites. Without it, the digital world as we know it would not exist. This infrastructure consists of a vast network of undersea cables, fiber optic lines, satellites, and other critical components. These undersea cables stretch across oceans, connecting continents and enabling global communication. Fiber optic lines, on the other hand, provide high-speed data transmission across cities and countries. Routers and data centers are equally important. Routers direct data traffic, ensuring that information reaches its intended destination efficiently. Data centers, which house servers and networking equipment, store and process vast amounts of data. These components work together to transmit data across the globe at lightning speed. The synergy between these elements ensures that data can travel from one part of the world to another in mere milliseconds. This seamless transmission is what makes real-time communication and instant access to information possible. Companies and organizations invest in and maintain these physical assets. Major tech companies, internet service providers, and telecommunications firms all play a role in building and sustaining this infrastructure. Their investments ensure that the internet remains fast, reliable, and accessible to users worldwide. Telecommunications companies, for example, own and operate many of the undersea cables and fiber optic lines that form the internet's backbone. These companies are responsible for laying new cables, upgrading existing ones, and ensuring that the network remains robust and resilient. Data centers, which house servers and networking equipment, are another crucial part of the internet's physical infrastructure. These facilities are designed to handle massive amounts of data, providing the storage and processing power needed to support everything from social media platforms to cloud computing services. Without data centers, the internet would not be able to function at the scale and speed we have come to expect. Section 6. A global network of networks, shared ownership and collaboration. The internet's ownership can be best understood as a shared responsibility. It is a vast, interconnected web that thrives on the contributions and collaborations of countless individuals and organizations around the globe. From the casual user checking emails in a cafe to the tech-savvy group of friends sharing a tablet, everyone plays a part in this digital ecosystem. Just as no single entity owns the entire telephone network, no single entity owns the entire internet. This decentralized nature is what makes the internet so resilient and adaptable. The infrastructure, from telephone poles and wires to network servers and satellite dishes, is maintained by a multitude of stakeholders, each contributing to the whole. Instead, it operates through a complex system of agreements and collaborations between various stakeholders. These stakeholders include businesses, governments, and nonprofit organizations, all working together to ensure the smooth functioning of the internet. The handshake between business people, the diligent work of network engineers, and the discussions around a table all symbolize the collaborative effort required to keep the internet running. Internet service providers, or ISPs, play a crucial role in connecting individuals and businesses to the internet. These companies are responsible for installing and maintaining the physical infrastructure, such as cables and servers, that make internet access possible. The sight of ISP service trucks and technicians at work is a testament to their vital role in our digital lives. These companies invest in and maintain the infrastructure that allows us to access the vast digital world. From fiber optic cables to server racks, the work of these engineers and technicians ensures that we can browse, stream, and connect without interruption. The cityscape with its internet infrastructure is a reminder of the invisible network that supports our daily activities. Content providers, such as websites and online services, contribute to the internet's richness and diversity. Developers coding on computers and people using social media highlight the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the internet. Each piece of content, each line of code, adds to the collective experience, making the internet a vibrant and indispensable part of modern life. Section 7. A telephone network for the digital age, drawing parallels. To better grasp the internet's shared ownership, consider the analogy of the global telephone network. When you make a phone call, your voice travels through a complex infrastructure of telephone lines, exchanges, and satellites. No single company owns this entire system. Instead, different companies own and operate different parts of the network. They collaborate and interconnect their systems to ensure seamless communication across the globe. The internet functions in a similar way, with different entities responsible for different aspects of its operation. Section 8. The internet's impact transforming society as we know it. The internet has profoundly impacted every aspect of our lives. It has revolutionized how we communicate, learn, work, and consume entertainment. From instant messaging and video calls to online learning platforms and e-commerce, the internet has broken down geographical barriers and connected people like never before. It has also empowered individuals and given rise to new forms of creativity and innovation. The internet has become an indispensable tool for businesses, enabling them to reach global audiences and operate more efficiently. Section 9. Our collective responsibility, ensuring the internet's future. As we continue to rely on the internet for communication, information, and commerce, it is crucial to recognize our collective responsibility in ensuring its accessibility, openness, and security. The internet has become an integral part of our daily lives, connecting us to a world of knowledge and opportunities. It is a platform where ideas are exchanged, businesses are built, and communities are formed. However, with this immense power comes the need for vigilance and proactive measures to safeguard its integrity. The internet's future depends on collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to using this powerful tool for the betterment of humanity. It is not just the responsibility of tech giants and policymakers, but of every individual who logs on. By working together, we can create a digital environment that fosters creativity, inclusivity, and progress. This means supporting open-source projects, participating in online forums, and contributing to the development of new technologies that enhance our online experience. By fostering digital literacy, promoting responsible online behavior, and supporting policies that protect net neutrality, we can help ensure that the internet remains a force for good in the world. Digital literacy is essential in empowering individuals to navigate the online space safely and effectively. It involves understanding how to protect personal information, recognizing credible sources, and engaging in respectful online discourse. Additionally, advocating for policies that uphold the principles of net neutrality ensures that the internet remains a level playing field where everyone has equal access to information and opportunities. The internet's story is still being written, and it is up to all of us to shape its future. Every click, share, and post contributes to the digital narrative. By being mindful of our online actions and supporting initiatives that promote a healthy and inclusive internet, we can ensure that this incredible resource continues to benefit generations to come. Let us embrace our collective responsibility and work towards an internet that reflects the best of humanity.